From the moment raw material arrives at the NHI manufacturing facility, the process of solving your unique parts challenge begins. In riveting and welding, our skilled operators turn stamped components into assembled units. At riveting stations, two stamping halves are pressed together with a bearing or drive hub in between. Holes are pierced, rivets are placed, and a press squeezes and expands the rivets. For large diameter parts, spot welds can be added. Our fully automated welding cells allow us to efficiently produce strong MIG welds and projection welds to meet virtually any parts requirement. Our welds are routinely put through destruct tests to ensure that parent material fails before welds. And whether you have a low volume or high volume order, our lean manufacturing and assembly process ensures maximum flexibility. That's just a taste of how we manufacture solutions at NHI. To view all our engineering and manufacturing capabilities, visit nhi-mfg.com.